In this video, I want to show you how to generate contours from digital elevation model in Global Mapper. So let's get started. In Global Mapper, the first thing is to load in your digital elevation model. So to do that, click on Open Data File. Navigate to your working folder where you have your digital elevation model. Here I have my digital elevation model. Click on it and click on Open. Click Yes. Yes, here I have my digital elevation model. So in Global Mapper, it's much very unique in terms of generating contour lines from digital elevation model. If I want to generate the contour line from this digital elevation model, here is the icon of the tool to create contour lines. So click on it. It will open this page. Under contour options, here you have different options. For example, you have descriptions. Here you can describe, for example, let's say 25-meter contour. So you can describe it like that as 25-meter contour. Then the contour interval, you can specify it here as 25 meter depending on you. Then you can also specify the unit here. You can see the unit whether in meter or feet. Then here under advanced, you can see minor contours and major contours. The minor contour is 5 meter and the major contour is 10 meter. So you see the effect of that, and of course you can modify it. I want it to be 5 meter for the minor contour and 10 meters for the major contour. You will see the effect when the result is produced. And also you have the elevation range. You can see the elevation range from 88 to 1072. So, and if I scroll down, you can see here there is an option here to start at minimum elevation instead of at first interval multiple within the specified range. If you want it like that, check it. However, in this case, I just want to leave it vacant. Then here there is also a provision for resolution. You can see the resolution here. You can just take your time and go through and see the differences when you check different options here. And another one I want to show you is this very option down here. Discard close contour lines shorter than, you can specify the value. If it is shorter than this value you specify here, it will be discarded. So depending on you, depending on the analysis you are running. However, I want to leave it as it is, and then I will click on OK. So what it does is that it's run to generate the contours and is ongoing. It's just a matter of few minutes or few seconds to generate, depending on the volume or area coverage of your data. Yes, it's creating lines, so just wait for it. It is done, and once it is done, it will be added on top of your digital elevation model. So if I zoom in, you can see how beautiful it is. To better appreciate it, I can uncheck the digital elevation model. So you can see my contour lines generated. The major contours, you can see it. You can see the minor contours. The minor contours are 5 meter apart, while the major contour is 10 meter. So you can see that it's very straightforward in generating contour lines from digital elevation model in Global Mapper. I hope you like this tutorial. Join our membership, like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.